What's going on, guys? CFC here. Just got done ripping through a box of 2015 Series 2, searching for some Chris Bryant rookies. Just a stash of cards, a whole bunch of golds in there, foils. But bam, check out this Babe Ruth commemorative bat knob, numbered to 99. That is so cool, man. It took up a whole pack. That's a 260 point case. All right, then I got my first printing plate of Travis Ishikawa. I actually have his short print from this series too. Thought that was really cool. And then just the other highlights, of course, the Jacob deGrom, Mookie, got cool Mike Trout, base Mike Trout, and then the rookie, Chris Bryant. And rediscovered tops came back in a couple packs. I got this cool Larry Dierker, man. I'm a huge Astros fan, so that was really cool to see. 77 Larry Dierker. All right, guys. That is it. I hope everyone's having a good day. This is CFC, and I'm out.